In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to play games for any type of Game Boy on your PC. First, open up your web browser and go to emulatorzone.com. Then on the left sidebar, click either Game Boy or Game Boy Advance under the Nintendo category. Now scroll down to see the list of emulators and click the first one, which should say Visual Boy Advance. Now scroll down to get the download link and click it. Now the file should download, so go to where you keep your downloads. You should now have this file created, so make a new folder and call it Visual Boy. And place the archive inside the folder. Then open it up and extract it. You should see these two files, so if you do, you can delete the archive and open up the application. Once you see this window, you can go to Options and configure your emulator. Under Video, you can change things like the resolution or the render method. Under Game Boy, you can change what type of Game Boy you're using, or you can just set it to automatic. If your computer runs kind of slow, you can go to Priority and make it above normal or highest, but this will make other programs run slower. And the last thing to change is the joypad, where you can change the layout. But for this tutorial, I'll just leave everything at default, but I recommend experimenting on your own time. Now you have to obtain the game ROM, so to do that, go back to your web browser and type in romhustler.net. Then on the left sidebar, click either Game Boy Advance or Game Boy Color. Either one of those will work with the following steps. I'll use Game Boy Advance, so just click it and scroll down and click All to see the list of all the game ROMs. All of these game ROMs will work, but for this tutorial, I'll just use 007 Nightfire. So you click the name, and then you click here to download this ROM. And now you have to wait 8 seconds for the download link to appear. So then you click here, and then the file should download. So locate the archive. Now go to your desktop, and you have to create a new folder to store your game ROMs. So go to New Folder, and I'll call it Game Boy ROMs. And now extract the archive. Place this file inside the folder, and you can delete the archive. And now go back to Visual Boy. So go to Options, Emulator, Directories, and for ROM, go to Browse, and select the folder you just created. And click OK, and then OK. And then to open the file, go to File, Open, and the file should be right there, so click it. And then click Open, and the game should be playing right away. So there you go. I hope this helped you, and have fun.